Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix there are no currently power options available in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is you need to do or right click here at the start icon, scroll up and then go with run. So here in the small window, please type regedit. The moment you have typed it, just have to click on OK to proceed. So your account control will ask you to say yes. Just have to go with yes to confirm your action. Okay, here you need to proceed directly to the left side of the screen and look for HKey underscore local underscore machine. Okay, click the forward arrow and this time you need to select for software. Click this forward arrow. This time you need to go with Microsoft. Click this forward arrow and this time you need to select any of this and type W so that you would be redirected to the file folder starting with W. Okay? Just have to select on Windows, click this forward arrow, and this time you need to search for current version. Click this forward arrow, and then select any of this file folder again and type P so that you would be redirected to the file folder starting with P. Here you need to locate for policies. Click this forward arrow, and this time you need to go with Explorer. Okay? Now, the moment you have the click on Explorer, there you would be able to see a value named no close. Just have to double tap that and change the value data into 0. So in your case, you have set that into 1, 2, 3, or other 4. That's why you're not getting a power options available in your computer. Okay, just have to set it into 0, change the value data into 0, and then once you have changed that, click on OK, and then close all of these file folders, please. Once you have the closed it, please close this registry editor window as well and then check if your power options is now there. But let's say if it doesn't, then we need to move on to our last step. Okay, our last step will be at the start icon once again, do a right click, scroll up and then go with task manager. Okay. So just have to wait until this new window will appear here where you need to expand it first, okay? And proceed to processes tab, okay? Now, you need to look for Windows Explorer. It might be running under the apps, or it might be running under the background processes, or it might be running at the Windows processes. In my case, it is running here under the apps. That's why I'm gonna go with this, okay? You can also use the search toolbar and then search for Windows Explorer and you would be able to get the result. Okay? Here, you need to do a right click and go with restart. Okay? So just have to restart your Windows Explorer. Okay? And the moment you have restarted it, it will be permanently, I mean, your taskbar will be permanently gone here. But don't worry because in a minute it will be back. Okay? So just have to close this first and wait until our taskbar will be available here in our desktop. Okay? So just have to wait until it will be back. Okay, now it's here. Just have to check if your problem has been fixed, if your power options is now there. Okay? So that's it. Those are the steps on how to fix your problem. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.